Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to earn a substantial income without leaving your home? Well, you're in luck because today I'll be sharing with you several proven methods to make $20,000 per month from the comfort of your own home. The first method is starting a successful online business selling a high-demand product or service. By leveraging social media platforms and optimizing your website for search engines, you can reach a wide audience and generate significant profits. Another way to earn $20,000 per month is through affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. You can start by building a website or blog, creating valuable content, and strategically placing affiliate links throughout. If you have a marketable skill, such as graphic design, writing, or programming, freelancing can be an excellent way to earn a substantial income from home. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for their specific services. Investing in the stock market or cryptocurrencies can potentially yield high returns and help you reach your goal of making $20,000 per month. However, it's essential to educate yourself and understand the risks associated with these investments. Have you ever considered creating and selling your own online course? By sharing your knowledge and expertise in a particular area, you can earn passive income while helping others learn new skills. One increasingly popular way to earn money from home is by becoming a social media influencer. By partnering with brands and creating engaging content, you can attract a large following and monetize your social media presence. If you have a knack for writing, consider becoming a freelance copywriter, helping businesses craft compelling sales copy and marketing materials. You can find clients on freelancing platforms or reach out directly to companies in need of your services. For those with a passion for photography, selling your photos on stock photography websites can be a lucrative way to earn $20,000 per month working from home. Companies and individuals are always in need of quality images for their websites, advertisements, and publications. If you're an expert in a specific subject, consider offering consulting services to businesses or individuals seeking your advice. You can provide guidance via phone or video calls and charge a premium fee for your expertise. Earning $20,000 per month working from home is achievable if you're willing to put in the effort, be disciplined, and explore various income streams. So, choose a method that resonates with you and start taking steps towards financial independence today. Subscribe now for more ways to make money online. Also leave a comment to get a chance to win free money every month.